Hi kids, I'm Olivia the Dinosaur. Let's roll on the road and see all the cool vehicles. Ready? Let's go! Vroom, vroom! I ride in my little red car, driving close and driving far. Beep, beep, horn and off we go, rolling fast or moving slow. Hop on the big yellow bus so wide, it opens the doors, come inside. We wave to people as we pass, riding the bus is such a blast. Rolling, rolling, fast or slow, cars and buses go, go, go. Trains go chug and bikes go ring, land is fun for traveling. Pedal a bike, wear your gear, ring, ring bell, loud and clear. Zoom on a scooter, glide so free, we ride with friends and family. Here comes the train, big and strong, chugga, chugga all day long. Toot, toot goes the happy sound, riding rails across the town. Look, it's a police car with flashing lights, zooming fast to help with rights. Sirens loud, they keep things fair, helping people everywhere. The big red fire truck is brave and bold, with hoses ready and ladders gold. Woo, woo, off they go, saving people high and low. The white ambulance comes quick and bright, flashing lights in the day or night, helping those who need some care, kindness rolling everywhere. Rolling, rolling to and fro, trucks and scooters go, go, go. With Olivia we ride with cheer, land transportation is super dear. Wasn't that fun? What's your favorite thing to ride? A scooter? A bus? Or maybe a fire truck? Ask your grown-up to help you draw your favorite vehicle today. And come back soon for more adventures with me, Olivia the Dinosaur.